This is the final product of this process that I'm going to be walking you through, my 4 core concepts for creation. And mind you, these are subjective and feel free to use these for your own creation process, but I implore you to find your own. Use this as a guide more than a concrete methodology to your creation. But my 4 core concepts are research, rough draft, workshop, and fine tune. I always start with my own lore that I've created for whatever piece I've made. In this case, it's a D&D project. The Minute by Minute series is something I've been diving into very extensively over the last month now. And with that, I have lore to pull from. So I start there. Then whatever I can't find within my own lore, I research some more. In this case, it's a pretty small amount of research. I'm only Googling a couple of images about era accurate mine shafts. Era accurate mine shafts. And once I have this, I start mapping out my plans. That's the second core concept. Rough drafts. I feel like I cannot iterate enough how important it is for me to design something before I push it into its final processes. And once you have your rough draft, then start executing stuff. And that can just be any creative process that you're pushing on. In this case, again, map making. So I am testing out material and concept within the piece itself, testing out walls, testing out elevation, filling the space. This is all stuff that you will learn to do as you hone your own creative process. For me, a lot of it is trial and error. And remember, not everything is perfect, and that's okay. Because those mistakes are what shape you as an artist and creator in general. So learn from those mistakes. Don't let them stew. Learn something from them and then move on. And then from there, it is just fine-tuning your concept. That is the final piece of the puzzle. Fine-tuning is important because this is how you're going to create immersion. This is how you're going to build consistency across your pieces. So fine-tune your things. Lighting, lore tie-ins. Just find something that works for you, because the fine-tuning process, this is the one that's probably going to look the most varied across person to person, because what you want to fine-tune really is about what you're wanting to do with this piece. In this case, I wanted to create immersion for players during battle interaction, so I have 2 core concepts for that. That is interactables and cover. So find your fine-tuning process. Commit to something, fine-tune it, and if you don't like it, it's okay to go back to something else. Fine-tune it again until you get something that you're proud of and that you have enjoyed and can have others enjoy. In this case, I'm hoping my players enjoy it. So find your creative process. As much as this can be a guide to these things, this is not a one-for-all type of method. Find yours. Create. Enjoy the process. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this helps you create. Not only finding a process that works for you, but talking about it and thinking about it helps spark an interest in your creative hobby. I hope this drives you to go make something. Follow that interest. And tell me your favorite project that you worked on in the comments. And please, as always, stay curious. And maybe consider watching something else by me, like one of these.